Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix poor call quality in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your call quality is now poor or might be not acceptable after an system update, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend, you have to enable this Wi-Fi calling from here, so it will enhance your calling experience. Then go to your settings here, go to connections, go to mobile networks, and from here you have to disable this VoLTE calls for your SIM 1 and also for your SIM 2. And you can also select the LTE preferred or 4G or 5G or the improved or the latest version. You might see here you have to avoid to select 3G or 2G network here. Once I've selected, you just have to go back and you have to go to software update section here. Make sure that your phone or your software is up to date. You might have an independent software update for this. So after updating your software, you can try to make a restart with your phone, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. So after enabling and disabling your airplane mode, your network setting will be refreshed. After doing that, you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings and in your setting, just scroll down, go to general management, further scroll down and go to reset here. In reset setting, just select reset mobile network settings and select your SIM 1 or your SIM 2 you're using. If you're using two SIMs, so you can try this step with your SIM 1 first and then try with the same thing with your SIM 2. Now network setting has been reset for SIM 1, so yeah, just select SIM 2 here and reset this again. After resetting your network setting, just try to restart your phone. Click on this power icon here, click on restart. Now click on this restart button again. Your phone will be restarted, and after a restart, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.